Hello, nhớ chào nữ chia. Nếu nào chị cứ giờ mong để các bạn mình là sao là stay fair thế này chị, cứ giờ mùa thế ya, cứ giờ mùa thế này chị, cái tôi husband chỉnh, tôi dẹp là hậu, cousin dẹp là hậu, có mình thâu hơn á, sau chị chỉnh tôi dẹp là hậu, tôi dẹp là ta này chị, mà linh một đó stay fair thế. Chị nó nói cô ở cho nên thôi một cái mình là sao là stay fair Monday sẽ trong lịch chạy ạ cái nó Labor Day Monday to Tuesday này cái for the last couple years này cái do dedicated cho Hmong ạ là cô mua idol stage or model cho Hmong artists here cho community members like tôi showcase là their talents here cô tôi hay lưu theo tên là thế này ạ chị cũng mong muốn chống hay especially on Labor Day cho khỏi tiền này mong để đó right now nó kể là tiêu rồi một performance anh tàu nó tàu lại để chỉ mà cô muốn đi cho thế ôi khó chỉ là ôi khó chỉ thế này kể thì đi muốn đi cho thế họ sẽ lý thế này ạ nó mà bự lý cái tại sao thì cậu ý mong lo cho chua là chị chỉ tàu người ta hay sẽ một xếp lo hố he should be done pretty soon here. So I'm just waiting in the car. I'm hoping that we will get there no later than 12:30. Tao ở nhớ tôi blow một chiếc một cái nào mà đi đón chị nó. Chị ước mơ này chị cũng mà cho nên cho mơ xe bên nó mình là sau đó stay fair trong cái nhà thế. Giờ thế này họ chỉ tao tua nó là để bỏ ở đây clip nó lên cái trái nó là cứ tua trái bên nhau mình là sau đó thì sẽ bị stay fair, especially Monday thế vậy. Mình là sau đó mà bé có population, bé có mong population chị chống thì nó. Chị cũng mua a lot of Hmong events, Hmong I guess themed events or occasions. So đó muốn shine nào okay. Em cũng bảo cho nên muốn gì thì cho nên muốn gì thì mình sẽ stay fair long một cái cụ tôi cái cụ tôi chỉ tao muốn through the whole thing thế. So I'll try to show you guys as much as I can, and then hopefully you guys will make it here someday. Stay fair. We're going to the international area. I'll show you guys around. We're proving plates. Oh, they even got shoes, boots, and everything here. There's the Hmong booth. I believe 1 year we're with her. She said she's done it for 20 years. West Indies soul food. Oh, never mind. Here's the Hmong booth. My bad. Oh, look at their keychains. I don't need anything. I'm just here to look. I don't think the lines are that long. This is the Hmong kitchen, Union Hmong kitchen. Chef Yap and his family. Oh, their galapagos are already sold out for today. Your Hmong sausage here, the chicken thighs, and I don't like their drinks, so. I mean, the line's not that long. You can say you like him up. Got it all? Okay. I guess we're not gonna buy any food from here. Just go around, see if there's anything. Oh, hey, do you wanna look in here first? Do you wanna look in here first? So, do you wanna look in here so we don't have to come back? Just look around. Why not?
Look around.
Here's the real shark teeth. They usually have like, oh yeah, pick pearl. Okay, let's go. My husband doesn't want to stay here anymore. He wants to go. Alright, let's go to the next part. They got like plants and stuff over here too. Here's the stage. If you want something on a stick, the more frozen. It's on the other side. Dream catchers. What are you gonna go get? I think he wants to try the Korean barbecue taco, the Tex-Mex taco. There. This is just the entrance end. We're gonna go to the agriculture building after. Let me see.
Where you going?
Is it right here?
To the Korean first?
Let's sit right here.
Korean,
This is the
right?
Korean one?
Yeah.
Okay, try the Korean taco. Korean barbecue taco. See how you like it. Put it over here. Don't put it too far over there. Wow. Here's the sauce. Do you want this sour cream?
These are for the taco.
Oh, that's for the other one? Okay. Is it good? Is it good?
You got the other one here? Oh.
How do you like it?
Good.
Take a big bite. Yum. Budaholu Agriculture Building. I look forward to coming here every year for this place. Oh my god, nó bật cho mặt lót thế nào. Slow cold. All the raspberries, apples, pears. Cho tôi competition, nghĩ chị ý thế nào? Apple cider.
If there is a designated driver ticket, that'll go back down and apologize.
apples in Minnesota. Can you take this? My hands are stuck.
Kelly's up there.
There are different type of apples in Minnesota. How many have you tried?
I don't know.
No. Okay, so we're gonna go through each one. These are the flowers that people kill, huh? Wow, there's a lot of people in here. We'll go to the next one. Oh, gingerbread house over here.
Before anybody gets in the way. So if we knew a landscaper that could take care of it.
This is Shrek theme. Let's go take a photo by there. What is it? Oh. Oh. Oh, that's pretty cool. Wow. Let's go look at this one over here. Wow. Here's Cinderella. Well, her face is a little bit weird. This is really pretty though. Like her little carriage is really pretty. And she has like a white horse on the other side. Even got Breda here. Okay, you want to go out?
Yeah.
It's up to you. It's up to you. What Chinese food? We had that 1 year. We of people today. Today is the last day of the fair. Do you want funnel cake? Do you want funnel cake? So a lot of people here. We're gonna go get funnel cake.
What do you want in your photo cake?
Strawberries.
Strawberry. No, I'm gonna do that regardless.
Yep. You want me to hold that? They gotta line up back here. Yum. Eating funnel cake. I requested for strawberry ethia, powdered sugar, baka. 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 Delicious. Yummy. Strawberry jam. If you want to be a sweet tea, like a so you get sweet tea, then we're probably gonna get some rib tips too. And there he is over there. This is their menu. So he's probably gonna get a regular, and then a sweet tea. What'd you get?
Rib tip. With everything.
What did you drop? Oh, with everything?
Yeah.
Let me see.
So,
Oh.
mushroom, onions, and
Was it good?
아재죠. 먹어봐요.
Do you approve? They have mashed potatoes on the bottom, onion, mushroom,
You want
steak.
onion? Want onion?
No, I'm good.
I know you don't like onion.
What is this? Mashed potato? Having his turkey sandwich. And then me, 2.5 for a sandwich, so I'm having my icy in here. Woo! Is it good? Huh? No? I don't want it, it's too hot. Alright, we're making our way to the stage. Everybody's screaming over there. So this is the area where the Hmong Day State Fair is celebrated. There's a lot of Hmong people here.
you, baby. How me and my wife met was unpredictable. How I knew your older brother 16 years ago. Yeah, first day we met, shit got spiritual. Finally met a girl whose heart's 24 karat gold. We had bad days, more than good days. Without the bad days, how we find the good ways. Never stop asking, always making miracles happen. We were financially stable, but we still managed. Still kept the bills and transactions. Still working on ourselves, who we are now. God's got a plan for me, who we are now. Guess he really want me come clean. God wanted me to go and raise it.
We found Miss Hetty over here, so she's coming with us. She's gonna go get her blue bear. Ooh, so hot. Say hi to my video.
Hi, nhớ rồi. Ôi trời, nếu chuyện tốt còn phải nói nào kia, để nói là chuyện có mong khỏi like. Nếu nào bây giờ cho nên tôi sai bên mình luôn, mong Minnesota, Jay. No, okay. Còn đây nó bây giờ mua phút là nó bây giờ mua gửi một chợ. Chị quay chợ bên hình trong thế này.
Bé là has this. Oh no, I'm just recording. Oh wow, they have lots of stuff over here. Chicken cornhole.
And this is the history. And đây là cái lối sò lá chi thọ. Là cái mông.
Lá châu chi ý nè.
Lá châu chi ý nè. Cái bây giờ đi tới cái mông luôn nè. Mù là họ đấy tao bỏ đi chào rồi. Đi mà bé ơi chị tên. Chỉ mới chỉ dùng cái gì để nó chơi. Đâu tao chỉ dùng cái ở nè. Cái mua ice cream.
Oh yeah.
Trời em. Ăn nó mò.
Hả?
Well, ice cream, right?
No.
You want macaroon?
No. Did you want some?
Yeah, ice cream.
Plant based. Where? You want your ice cream? Are they over here? Sure. Can I sit right? Hay cái lỗ bia có thế nào? Oh, cứ bây giờ có chơi trò cười to đi. Cứ tiếp theo đi ở sao nó cứ được chơi được bia đi đâu? Hả? For real, còn bố mất chơi không? Cú. Còn nát tiếng sự chế. Cú. Shaw, go. You give up? You ready to go home? That's hot right there. Okay. We ate a lot, we drank a lot, now we're going home. Are you tired?
Yeah, I am. Very tired.
Very tired. It's so hot here. The fair is still open until 9 p.m. so there's going to be a lot of people, but I think we had our good fair share. We didn't record a lot of performances because of the songs being copyrighted, but we are going home. So a lot of people. Bà chơi sáng rồi. Đến nay là show mà chắc là tôi đó luôn. Sáng tạt nó rồi. Thì sáng có thể cút thầu sao? Cút thầu thì sáng thầu. Nó mới chơi đó, show mà chắc tôi đó.